everyone, and welcome back to another In the Kitchen recipe. Today I'm going to be sharing a dessert with you, an Eclair cake. It's no bake and it's only 5 ingredients. You need some instant vanilla pudding. You also need whipped topping. Also need chocolate cake icing, and then you need the honey graham crackers. You also need milk. In a medium-sized mixing bowl, I am going to start by mixing my pudding. 2 boxes of instant vanilla pudding in my bowl. I am not going to be following the directions. You do not need 4 cups of milk trying to make a custard. So I would suggest doing 3 cups of milk. You can do less, you can do a little bit more depending on how you want yours. I chose to do kind of a thicker pudding custard layer, which worked out really fantastic. So I definitely suggest 2 boxes of pudding with 3 cups of milk. So after pouring my pudding, I'll be adding my 3 cups of milk, and I'm going to whisk that together for several minutes until the pudding mixture starts to set up. You'll be able to tell because the pudding will thicken. This is where you would add your whipped topping. Pour your Cool Whip in there, your entire bin, and then you're going to start mixing the Cool Whip in. But instead of just going straight in and mixing it, you're going to fold the Cool Whip in. They'll combine slowly. It does take time to do this, but you want to fold these two together. Once that is done, it becomes this thicker whipped pudding consistency, which we are calling a custard. Now, once that's done, you need to set this to the side. So in this step, you're going to need a baking dish, a 9x13. This is where we're going to start our layering process. So I have my pan here. It's not the prettiest, but she works. I'm going to start by taking the graham crackers and I'm going to layer them on the bottom of the pan in a single layer. This took an entire box of graham crackers to make this recipe, and then after you have those layered, you're going to do a layer of the custard. So the pudding and whipped cream mixture. I'm going to spread that out evenly over top of the graham crackers. I'm moving on to the next layer. I'm going to layer another layer of graham crackers just like I done the first layer. Now once I have this layer down, I'm going to add another layer of the custard mixture. Spread that out evenly and add another layer of graham crackers. And this will be the final layer of graham crackers and custard. Now after you place your final layer of graham crackers, we're going to move on to using the chocolate frosting. And you want to take the frosting and heat it up in the microwave until it is slightly liquidy, not overheating it. You just want it melted enough that you can pour it. So once that's heated up, I give the frosting a good stir. It pours nice and easy. And there is still some that didn't completely melt down, but it kind of smooths out and works anyways. Once I have all of the frosting spread out over top, our Eclair cake is finished. This usually takes 1 to 2 days to set up in the refrigerator before serving this. This is not a dessert you can eat right away, but it is totally worth it. It is really delicious. It is really rich. It's so yummy. The Eclair cake was a success. I've already bought the ingredients to make this again. In regards to waiting 2 days in the refrigerator, I waited 1.5 days. The recipe was delicious and everyone loved it, and a day and a half in the refrigerator was plenty of time for it to set up. It allows the custard time to set up, the graham crackers time to get kind of soft, frosting layer on top to thicken up. Definitely try this recipe out. If you do, let me know in the comment section below. I thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more In the Kitchen videos. And don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional In the Kitchen links.